that gives us another 7 feet of space for garden boxes. So I just wanted to stop for a minute and tell you what we're doing and why we're doing it. We have this huge run that was for our chickens that had our little trellis of beans and squash that would grow over the top of it. Decided to switch the run to the other side of the coop so that we can expand the garden. So basically there's the garden and it will just wrap around. There's the temporary coop right now that has our little rescue chicken. And then there's the run. I'll put how many feet it is up on the screen for you. So yeah, 7 feet is going to give me a lot of garden boxes. The ones that are in the garden like this, I want to just line them up long ways like this all the way down. I came upon, actually my brother brought his friend over that does landscaping and he gave me a lot of pots. No shortage of pots, and if I need more, he said I can get more, so I'm really excited. These ones are huge. I don't know the diameter offhand. But anyway, I'm going to do my TP beans and my squash, watermelon, all the vines, and we have them grow up in these containers for this year, and then probably next year we'll build all the boxes just to kind of give my husband a break after the building of this greenhouse last year. It was a lot of work. Yeah, that's where we're at, just trying to get it all out. We need to take out these tree trunks. All of these used to be arborvitae. Yuck. We gotta chop them off at the base. We kept them in there as purchase for our chickens. So now the other thing I'm going to show you real quick, it's going to be a little loud. For those that haven't heard about my son's and my daughter-in-law's channel, they bought this CNC machine, which is housed in our garage, so that they could do a lot of wood projects and put them up on YouTube. So check them out. They'd love that. He's currently making his sign for his business. Pretty cool. He'll probably make a few signs for around my yard, for my greenhouse and garden. Just probably anything I want, really. Yeah, so that's where we're at. We're gonna keep going on this, try and get it done today. this is it for now. Got that corner all cleared out. And now we just need to go get some gravel. The plan is to move this fire pit over to right about here, just kind of equally spaced this way and that way into the greenhouse, just to get it a little further from the greenhouse. Yeah, our next steps are get the gravel down, put up a little 3-foot fence between us and the neighbors with a gate. I need to level out this new garden area and place my pots exactly where I want them. But very pleased with the last couple weekends worth of work. And we even got this fence painted, even though it's temporary. We will probably take this part down and just kind of taper down a fence down to 3 feet high fence, like I said, that will just go all the way across. Hope you enjoyed this video, and be another one soon.